Imagine a world where fleets of autonomous robots are not held back by clunky coordination or choppy communication, but instead move in flawless harmony across air, land, sea, and even space. That's the bold vision driving Hive Robotics, a Munich-based startup that just secured €2 million in pre-seed funding, and the tech world is watching closely. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite the rapid rise of autonomous vehicles, the dream of true robotic collaboration has always crashed into a wall of fragmented technologies and incompatible systems. Hive Robotics claims they have the answer. With backing led by B2 Venture, alongside respected venture capitalists and industry players like Firedrop, Pareto, Matthias Hilpert, and Clocker Group, Hive Robotics is now poised to break new ground. Their goal? To build an AI-powered control platform that finally enables different types of robots, think compact drones, ground rovers, and seafaring vessels, to work together as a real-time, dynamic team. A mission to unleash collective intelligence. The heart and soul of Hive Robotics comes from its founders, Sebastian Mores and Dr. Burak Yüksel, seasoned leaders in aviation and robotics. Their passion is more than just technological. It's about opening doors. They want to democratize swarm AI, making it readily available for industries as varied as disaster relief, industrial inspection, and even urban infrastructure monitoring. Sebastian Mores draws on years of navigating the fast-paced world of aviation startups, steering teams through challenges where agility and innovation are everything. His co-founder, CTO Dr. Burak Yüksel, brings deep academic rigor and hands-on expertise, shaped by his experience at Volocopter, an urban air mobility forerunner. Yüksel's knowledge of sensor fusion and large-scale system architecture forms the technical backbone of Hive's platform. In Dr. Yüksel's own words, working in aviation, I saw how broken communication and piecemeal control systems kept robots isolated and inefficient. It was this frustration that inspired Hive Robotics' vision. Unify all aspects, control, data perception, and communications within a single modular system. Intriguingly, their software enables sensors on one robot to instantly expand the awareness or capabilities of others. And this is the part most people miss. Imagine hundreds of such intelligent machines seamlessly extending each other's senses and actions across domains. Cutting-edge control, the C3 architecture. At the core of Hive Robotics' breakthrough is their C3 control platform, that stands for Command, Control, Connect. Unlike traditional systems that are locked into a single environment or robot type, Hive's AI-backed architecture unites fleets of diverse machines. It does so by blending secure communications, advanced sensor data processing, sensor fusion, and decentralized onboard AI. The upshot? These robot swarms can perform complex, synchronized tasks, even in areas where GPS is blocked or unreliable. Mores summarizes it simply. We provide swarm intelligence to unmanned systems on air, ground, and sea. Think of it as giving robots a shared brain, one that lets them perceive, decide, and act together, regardless of the challenges. And here's another potential flashpoint. Hive's software and hardware solutions are built to industrial-grade standards, making them far more robust and scalable than many competitors. The company is confident this will open doors even for smaller businesses, lowering entry barriers and fueling a wider wave of adoption. A crowded field, but a unique approach. The world of swarm robotics isn't empty. Giants like Boston Dynamics wow audiences with jaw-dropping robots, while innovative enterprises such as Hydromea, Swarm Farm, and K-Teen Corporation serve specialized markets from underwater exploration to farm automation. Many of these focus on single domains or very specific applications. Hive Robotics, however, is staking its claim as the first to integrate land, sea, air, and even space robots into one seamless, scalable ecosystem. Is this a realistic promise, or just industry hype? This could easily divide opinion among tech insiders. What do you think? Is a truly unified swarm system possible, or does every domain require its own optimized solution? Looking ahead, scaling up the future, with their new €2 million investment, Hive Robotics plans to ramp up engineering talent and strengthen partnerships with original equipment manufacturers, OEMs. The ultimate goal is ambitious yet clear: to make coordinated, multi-domain robotic swarms the norm in real-world, high-stakes scenarios. As Moore boldly concludes, Hive Robotics wants to be the backbone of global robotics teamwork, helping everyone from startups to established players join forces, break through barriers, and solve urgent challenges using AI-powered swarms. So, here's a question to spark debate. Is Hive Robotics truly unlocking the future of cooperative robotics for all, or is the field still too fragmented for any one player to conquer? Share your thoughts below. Do you believe in the promise of unified swarms, or are the technical hurdles just too high?